Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to open an account on SportyBet. So first, we're going to go to our browser. So now we're going to type in sportybet.com. So we're going to click on the first option that gives us. As you can see, this is their official website. So next, we're going to click on register. Once we click that, it's going to show us different location preferences. As you can see, there's 6 options: Nigeria, Tanzania, South Africa, Kenya, Zambia, and Ghana. So depending on our preferences, for example, I chose Kenya, so it's going to direct us to the Kenyan SportyBet account website. So now we're going to need to sign up. So again, we're going to click on register and type in our mobile phone number for that country. So as we wrote that, we're going to set our password. So once we're done, they're going to create us our new account. So next, in case we log in again, we're going to click on the login page and we're going to put in our phone number, our password. So then it's going to keep us signed in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, follow for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.